Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral horror-style videos just like The Lovely Horror Show, and how people are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month with this type of content on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. You don't need any editing experience, expensive gear, or technical skills. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes to create a full video. I'll walk you through the most effective and beginner-friendly method using an amazing AI tool called AICUT Pro, which basically handles everything for you. The best part is I've got a special discount link for you right below this video and also pinned in the top comment, so make sure to check it out and grab it before it's gone. When you visit the website, you'll see it offers multiple content types: AIUGC product videos, AIPOV, tech stories, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on AI video, which is perfect for making those creepy, mysterious clips just like The Lovely Horror Show. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the creation panel where you can choose between text, image, transition, or extend modes. This gives you full control over how your video is generated, whether it's based on text prompts, pictures, or smooth transitions. Next, you can select which AI model you want to use for generation, choose your aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok is ideal, and set the duration of your video. But the most important part here is your prompt. This is where all the magic happens. You can either paste a link to an existing TikTok or YouTube Shorts video you want to recreate, or if you want inspiration, go to the Trends tab on the left side of the page. Here you'll find tons of trending video prompts from different niches, including horror, AI storytelling, and mysterious content. Just click Copy Prompt, paste it into the generator, make a few small edits if you like, and hit Generate. The AI will instantly start creating your horror-style video. Once it's done, you can download the file directly and upload it to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now let's talk about pricing, because that's one of the best parts. AI Cut Pro offers two plans: the Creator Plan and the Automate Plan, which includes more features and automation tools. Personally, I recommend the yearly plan because it comes with a big discount and saves you a lot of money in the long run. Even with the basic plan, you can quickly create tons of videos and publish them daily, which is how people grow entire channels and earn money from views or sponsors. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to make money with AI-generated content right now. So if you want to start creating viral horror videos like The Lovely Horror Show without editing, without spending hours on production, and with the help of AI, definitely try out AICUT.pro. It's fast, easy to use, and super affordable. Don't forget, the discount link is right below this video and pinned in the top comment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what kind of horror stories you'll create first. See you in the next video.